Hello and greetings from ARRL contest 2013 CW. So this time I'm not in Czech. Unfortunately, this is the second time we have a failure on the station, and this time we replaced the stack match. The broken one is here. So I'm approximately 25 meters over the ground on 35 meter high tower. We can see the antenna down, the upper antenna, actually the middle antenna and upper antenna. It's very cold, it's well below zero, and actually I'm freezing, so I'm gonna make it shortly. We can see another tower with the Yagis. This is a 80 and 40 meter antenna system at OE3K, and as you can see around, there is a lot of snow. Lots of snow around, and we are here on the top hill location, approximately 50-60 kilometers from Vienna, north from Vienna. And maybe, I don't know, there is a small tower with two small stacks of KT34, and this one is a bigger stack of 3-step IRs. One of them we just repaired Friday before the contest, but unfortunately we have now other failure. So it's a Sunday afternoon, and going back to the shack. It's too cold. 73 and good luck. This is OE1 EMS or E77DX at OE3K on the top of one of the towers. Good luck, and see you in contest later.